Hello, my YouTube friends. So check out what I found. A Mohawk Home stain-resisting carpet. Use at home or on the go. Extremely durable construction. Frayed poo fibers will not unravel. Simply cut to size with scissors. I saw this and I was like, perfect. This was cool. I mean, 20 bucks. I picked it up at Camping World, a 6x8 area rug. I'm going to take the old rug out in my van, and I'm going to use some sort of two-sided tape or whatever I can find for the back of this to stick to my existing area. Now I have to pull out the old carpet because I removed the shelf. As you guys can see, I pulled the shelf out, and I'm going to be cutting this down to size. I think this is pretty cool, and I don't see why people could not cut this to use for what do you got there? The window insulation or the window covers that they put up during the winter time. As the WeatherTech ones are kind of expensive, and if you cut one of these ones, it wouldn't. I think that'd be a pretty good insulator. If you're looking to stay cool or stay warm in the winter time, I thought that'd be kind of neat. So testing something like that out, maybe get it to stick with a couple of suction cups or something like that against the window, I thought would be kind of tight. But yeah. All right, folks, well, stay tuned, and I just thought I'd share that because this will make a really nice carpet, as you can use it right here for camping, garage, mudroom, or your yard. I thought that would make a really good carpet for inside the van. Again, I'm going to have to stick something else between the wood and that to get it so it doesn't peel up, because this is a little bit light duty. I'd like to find something a little bit thicker. So if you guys know whoever makes something thicker than that, that'd be great. So. And yeah, it's made with recycled plastic. I love that. So, yeah. All right, my friends. Thanks for watching.